iPhone launch always makes headlines, but not always for a good reason. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fact Freestyle. Today we are diving into the history of the iPhone. Every new feature from the original iPhone to the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's incredible to see how Apple has shaped the smartphone industry over the years. So let's jump right in. Our journey starts with the original iPhone in 2007. This was the device that changed it all. It introduced multi-touch gestures like pinch to zoom and the iconic single home button. Apple combined a phone, iPod, and an internet communicator all in one. The sleek design was nothing like we'd ever seen before. A glass display with a 3.5-inch screen. Steve Jobs called it a revolutionary product. And boy, was he right. Next came the iPhone 3G in 2008, which introduced 3G connectivity, making browsing way faster. The App Store, which opened up a whole new world of mobile apps. A plastic bag that helped with signal reception. The App Store alone transformed the iPhone from a simple device to a mini computer. The iPhone 3GS in 2009 brought some great upgrades too. It was faster. The S actually stands for speed. For the first time, you could record video. It also added voice control and improved 3-megapixel camera. The iPhone 4 released in 2010 marked a huge redesign. The Retina display introduced ultra-clear visuals. FaceTime video calling was a brand new way to connect. And we got the iconic glass and steel look. The iPhone 4 remains a fan favorite and for a good reason. In 2011 with the iPhone 4S, Apple introduced Siri. Siri was the first virtual voice assistant and it was groundbreaking. It also had a new dual-core processor which improved performance, plus an 8-megapixel camera with Full HD video recording. Siri added a whole new level of interactivity. It was also the last iPhone launched by Steve Jobs. The iPhone 5 in 2012 made some big changes. It featured a larger 4-inch display and a lighter, thinner design. Apple replaced the 30-pin connector with the Lightning connector. It supported 4G LTE, bringing faster browsing to more people. In 2013, the iPhone 5S introduced two key feature innovations: Touch ID, a fingerprint sensor for easier security, the world's first 64-bit smartphone processor, the A7 chip. It also had the M7 Motion Core processor, which opened the door for health tracking apps. In 2014, the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus made a bold move. The screens got even bigger at 4.7 and 5.5 inches. Apple Pay allowed for secure payments through NFC. iPhone 6 Plus was the first iPhone with optical image stabilization. Although packed with new features, it had a bending issue which was a real concern for Apple. But bigger screens and Apple Pay made this series a big hit. The iPhone 6s, which was launched in 2015, brought us 3D Touch, a pressure-sensitive display. It was the first iPhone with 4K video recording and live photos, which added movement to still images. In March 2016, the iPhone SE was launched, catered to those who preferred a smaller phone. It had the same A9 processor as the iPhone 6s. The familiar 4-inch design appealed to fans of compact phones. It offered a lower price point, making the iPhone more accessible. In the same year, the iPhone 7 made some bold changes. Apple removed the headphone jack, promoting wireless audio. It was the first iPhone to be water resistant. The 7 Plus had a dual camera, bringing portrait mode to life. In 2017, Apple launched the iPhone 8 and was a bridge to the future. It introduced wireless charging thanks to the new glass back, True Tone display which adjusted to lighting conditions, and the powerful A11 Bionic chip with a neural engine. The iPhone X was launched alongside iPhone 8 and was revolutionary. The OLED display introducing vibrant colors and deeper blacks. Face ID replaced Touch ID using facial recognition. The home button was gone, making room for an edge-to-edge display. In 2018, the iPhone XS and XS Max improved the iPhone X design. It came with the dual SIM capability with eSIM, improved water resistance at IP68, better OLED displays, and the iPhone XR introduced more affordable LCD option. The iPhone 11 introduced in 2019. It was the first iPhone with ultra-wide lens, night mode for low-light photos, and improved battery life. The iPhone 11 Pro added a triple camera system and a Super Retina XDR display. In April of 2020, Apple brought us a second iPhone SE with the powerful A13 Bionic chip, a compact, affordable option for iPhone fans. portrait mode with a single camera. Also in the same year, the iPhone 12 series was introduced. It was the first iPhone with 5G capability, ceramic shield for better drop protection, and MagSafe, a magnetic system for charging accessories. In 2021, the iPhone 13 was released, and it improved battery life across the lineup. A smaller notch for a cleaner display, cinematic mode for impressive video effect. The iPhone 14 Pro introduced Dynamic Island, a new way to interact with notifications, an always-on display, a 48 megapixel main camera for better detail. It was the first time in several years Apple increased the resolution of its sensor. The iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max was released in 2023, and it came with USB Type-C charging. First time Apple introduced Type-C to iPhone series, and the same 48 megapixel main camera. The iPhone 15 Pro features a titanium body, making it lighter and tougher. The A17 Pro chip optimized for gaming was a game changer, and a customizable action button for quick access. Apple's iPhone 16 and 16 Pro was launched on September 20, 2024. It enabled faster charging, better battery life, up to 45-watt wired charging and 25-watt MagSafe, and the longest battery life of any iPhone. Apple introduced their new chip, A18 in the new iPhone 16 and the A18 Pro in the Pro models, enhanced display and connectivity, slimmer bezels and support for Wi-Fi 7. And that's the full history of iPhone from 2007 to today. Let me know in the comments below which feature was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for more facts. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.